You're trying to make the perfect TikTok, right? The one that goes viral. But necessarily what we're talking about here is the perfect TikTok meme going on right now. Now, I already know you've been on TikTok, you've seen this meme go around, and it's pretty much trending right now. So I already told you guys about what to do. The best effect on TikTok is the green screen. So this is how you do it using the green screen. You haven't checked out my green screen video, make sure you do that as well to get you up and rolling with TikTok. But this is how you do the perfect TikTok meme. What you're gonna do is open your Notes app like you see right here and pretty much just craft things you would use to make the perfect TikTok. Now, a lot of people are putting, duets with certain big influencers, a bunch of likes, a bunch of comments. You already know what I tell y'all, what y'all got to do. You got to copy what you see out there and put your spin on it. Put your own spin on it. What would be the perfect TikTok? These are going around. This is trending right now. So a lot of people getting involved with it. But some people search the effects tab and they say, hey, wait a minute, it's not there. How do I do this? Simply, if with an iPhone, using your Notes app, or if you have an Android, of course, you may have a Notes app as well, so make sure you use that Notes app. Switch it up, use a different kind of Notes app. If you use Bear like I do, then definitely use that and kind of switch it up, put your own spin on it. But that is simply easy how you do it, man. And make sure you check out this next video to see how you can make your green screen even better.